What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly fix a problem when your input or output audio is echoing in OBS Studio. Let's start with the most common cause of echo: duplicate audio sources. In OBS Studio, go to the audio mixer panel located at the bottom of the interface. Speak into your microphone and observe the audio levels. The only source that should show activity while you're speaking is your microphone. If you notice another audio source fluctuating at the same time, they might be capturing the same audio and causing the echo. To fix this, disable any unnecessary audio sources. Click the speaker icon next to each source that's picking up the audio to mute it. After muting all redundant sources, test your audio again to see if the echo is gone. If you are still experiencing issues, head to the settings menu. Here, navigate to the audio tab. Under the global audio devices section, verify that the correct microphone and output device are selected. Misconfigured devices can often lead to echo or other audio issues. Next, disable all devices except the one you want to use as your primary audio source. This will ensure that OBS only listens to the correct input device. Once you've made these changes, test the audio by re-enabling the devices one at a time. If the echo returns after enabling a specific device, that device is the culprit. Disable it permanently to resolve the issue. Another common cause of echo is audio loopback, where your microphone picks up sound coming from your speakers. To prevent this, always use headphones instead of speakers when streaming or recording. Headphones isolate the audio, stopping it from feeding back into the microphone. Additionally, check that your microphone's sensitivity is not too high, as this can also cause it to pick up ambient sounds. If your audio levels are too loud, this can also contribute to echo. Lower the volume sliders in the audio mixer for both your microphone and other sources to a comfortable level. This reduces the chance of distortion or feedback. OBS Studio includes noise suppression filters that can help minimize echo and background noise. To use this feature, go to the audio mixer, click the three dots next to your microphone, and select Filters. Click the plus icon in the Filters window and add a noise suppression filter. Adjust the settings as needed to reduce unwanted sounds. OBS will use advanced algorithms to suppress background noise, including minor echoes. Another software running on your PC can also cause conflicts with OBS and lead to echo. This includes voice chat applications, audio enhancement software, or virtual audio drivers. Close other programs one by one to see if the issue disappears. Applications like Discord or Skype, for instance, can sometimes interfere with OBS if they're not properly configured. Finally, restarting OBS on your PC can resolve temporary glitches causing echo, as sometimes the software needs a clean reset to fix audio conflicts. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.